Myself, Suryakant Thorat from Navgrah Fasteners Private Limited. We are in the business of manufacturing stainless steel washers, sheet metal parts. In May 2016, Pardi Lean Engineering Cluster was formed and we have participated in Lean. Journey of Lean was started with FIRE's concept. Every employee in Navgrah was given training by Greendot. Mr. Tarun Bhai has taken a lot efforts to aware about housekeeping, Kaizen, productivity improvement and space utilization. Our organization has decided to work on 8 projects. Nirobhai has given training to top management about quality, circle, Six Sigma, inventory control, just in time and many other topics. We have implemented Kaizen, which helped to increase productivity, easier material handling, and we have successfully completed 8 projects, which was assigned. We have got so many benefits. The main is change in our work culture, rejection control, effective space utilization, proper housekeeping, reduction in accidents, sorting time reduction for our washers. We have made policy to remove scrap from regular frequency, by which we have got more space for tool room and we have accommodated more and more machines to increase our productivity. We are really satisfied with these lean practices. Special thanks to NPC, Greendot team and Mr. Nirobhai and Tarun Bhai for helping us in this project. Thank you very much.